There it is.
See, like, I don't know where they are.
Oh. I wonder how long you can make it wait.
5 minutes.
What's
the timer now?
Yo, this is crazy. How did you feel the first time you were in one of these?
Oh, it was pretty wild. I mean,
Wow.
it's like, yeah, it's one thing to build a prototype service. It's a whole new thing, a whole different ballgame to kind of, you know, have a car where like you just have an app and anyone can come and request anything, right? I don't know. I think it's like a much higher level of confidence.
Yeah, this feels so weird. Like, I work in this space and this is still kind of weird. This is insane. Okay, do you need to do the thing?
I guess we can wait until it actually reaches the drop-off point and then put another destination.
I see.
So, I guess we can judge the quality of the pullovers.
Okay, I'm down.
Okay, this is a pretty busy. Maybe we should do this street as well.
I'm down. Fillmore is really busy actually.
Yeah.
And how's the elevation change actually?
The elevation change?
Yeah, it has a crazy hill up top. So if we ride around and we wanna go towards Union Street,
Okay.
there's crazy elevation there.
Okay.
So it would be cool to see what it does.
Yeah, we can do some hills. I mean, yeah, I guess you're just saying go forward more, right? To Pack Heights?
Let's go to where we went, where you routed to Japantown, and then we can.
And then you want to go north and
go
then
north,
come back.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Well, is the computer that sounds like that?
The computer's in the back. It's like not. Yeah, there's like not really a way that you can open it. I've tried all these things.
It's not warm at all though.
Yeah, I think it might be venting to the outside because otherwise, yeah, it's like pretty unreasonable. The other thing, I know some cars don't have this iPhone anymore. This one does.
What's this for?
I don't know.
Maybe it records
there's
conversation.
Like a cable. Yeah.
It's kind of weird.
I don't think it records car because the car without the phone, we were able to call the customer service just fine. The other thing is like sometimes you can get the phone to like.
Come on.
Well, this one the screen is totally covered, but
That's
yeah.
really weird. Yeah.
But it's also not for cabin monitoring because they have these two.
I wonder how many people are watching us right now.
I don't know. We'll find out. There's a Waymo up there. You see that?
Oh, is that the big lights over there? Oh, you're on the right. Oh,
On the right, yeah.
Have you ever run into any AV on AV interactions?
AV on AV interactions. No, but there was a YouTube video posted recently by someone named Maya of a cruise getting stuck and then the Waymo trying to pass them.
That's pretty funny. Yeah.
Okay, so what else do we have? There's infotainment.
Oh wow.
Like temperature.
Oh wow.
There's like music somewhere.
They have music down. Maybe they removed it.
Huh? Yeah. Where did the music go?
No more music.
Okay.
That was a confident turn. That was pretty cool.
Yeah, we're a
yellow
bit
light.
over the yellow line, but that's fine. Alright, so I'll... Oh! Okay, we're not gonna go through that yellow. Oops. Alright, so let's put in a new destination. Where do you know where are the hills in Pack Heights?
It's if you go straight up,
Okay.
like from Fillmore Street all the way up.
So this is... No, that's Webster. Fillmore all the way up.
Yeah, if you go literally all the way to the marina.
Okay. Like here?
Yeah, that should do high. Yeah, that definitely does.
Okay.
Some hills.
We can...
It goes.
hits.
It's also hilly there. It should be at least.
Okay. So we do get to go briefly out of the geofence. That's
Is that
might be
normal?
interesting. It wasn't normal before.
It's not bad. I don't think it passed the driving exam. But
Nice. Oh, that's a good pullover in my book. Okay. Confirm. So it's going to be an uncontested pullout.
Oh, unfortunate. I'm here for the contesting. They run all day now, right? Like they just. Oh,
Yeah.
It's taking the easy route actually.
I think they must run fewer cars during the day. Also, yeah. Why doesn't the app route?
I don't think it's gonna go through the hills.
Yeah. Oh, that's the way. Wait, is that? There's no way that's the same Waymo.
Well,
There's a passenger inside.
interesting positioning.
Bye, Waymo.
It's interesting how I'm gonna go down Fillmore actually.
Yeah. Do we want to scam it? Because we can set closer destinations.
Yeah, we can do that. We can. If we set Salt and Straw, it will have to go up the hill.
Okay. So I can just put that in. Wait. Okay. All right. I'm gonna have to have an address. Salt and Straw.
Oh, maybe it goes down the hill actually. Oh, it will go on the hill.
Yeah. I think it's pretty good at hills, to be honest. Like the controls are all like super smooth and all that.
Does not have a detection view or something where we can see what it sees.
They do not.
That's
Yeah.
unfortunate.
Yeah, they do not. Nerds really want this, but I think every time it comes up, Kyle is like, Kyle's the CEO. Kyle's like, oh yeah, like the only reason you need that is because you don't trust the system, and once you trust it, then this is actually better. I don't know how much I buy that.
It is a fair point. I mean, it's an abstraction technically. I don't know if it adds removes from the experience, but
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I think early on it's like nice to, especially like what I noticed, people coming from a Tesla system are kind of, they don't really know what the tech is capable of, and they get into a Waymo and they're like, oh wow, like it can see so far, it knows where all the lanes are all the time.
oh really?
Yeah. So I think,
so funny.
yeah, I wouldn't like take it for granted, but no.
It's interesting how it navigates around Fillmore. It doesn't go through Fillmore.
Yeah, it probably, I mean, I can try to scam it again.
Oh yeah. Ooh.
Yeah.
Nope.
Well, maybe.
We tried. Oh, there's a
get
delay
past
actually.
this. With what?
There's a delay between the app and the car.
Well, I haven't put the destination, but yeah, the app routes don't always agree with the car routes. All right, now we're gonna go on.
Oh, we're
Fillmore.
going on Fillmore. Hell yeah.
All right.
Let's see what we can do. Let's take some
Kinda
time
empty.
turns actually.
We are over the line with oncoming.
Because we passed the hilly part. If you put further down, it goes even more here. It goes even
Okay.
more here.
We can do that.
If you put all the way to Union Street, we're gonna go downhill.
So I think if we put it too far, it's gonna try to get off Fillmore, and
Oh, I see. Do the wrap around.
yeah. But this one, let's see what the proposed route is.
It is kind of nudging forward the traffic lights.
Yeah. I think that's actually so bad because it I don't know. It just makes everyone uncomfortable, like inside the car and outside.
What's the most interesting interaction you've seen?
There was a guy crawling in the street on Diviz.
Crawling?
Like one of my first few rides. There's Salt and Straw. And it was causing a huge traffic jam because basically everyone in the right lane had to switch to the left lane to get around this guy.
That's a pretty good pullover, actually.
Oh wow, we're like legitimately close to the curb.
Yeah, it's actually really good.
I think we're like still outside of the white line, the paint, but
It's not pretty good, though.
yeah. All right. Should I?
Yeah, send it.
All right. Checking doors and seatbelts. Man, all these pullouts have been uncontested.
Can wait. I guess how long does it wait?
So I tested this once. I just stayed in the car, and I think it was more than 5 minutes before rider support called me.
Oh, there's a cruise right there. It's parked.
Yeah, there's a person taking a break inside.
Oh, I see.
It's a
Probably testing.
cruise employee or something. All right, should we go?
Yeah, let's do it.
Keep putting this.
There's a
destination
pretty
forward?
crazy downhill at the top, actually.
Uh-huh.
If we keep going down this path. I know because I walked to my girlfriend's place from this one. Oh yes, we're probably gonna go.
Nice.
Yeah, this hill is like fine on this way, but if you go the other way, oh my god, it's so steep.
The controls are pretty good.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
It's been pretty smooth actually. I'm surprised. Like there's no jerkiness.
Yeah. So I think the controls are very smooth, but sometimes the planning is, especially when there's like a lot of pedestrians, can be a little bit jerky.
They drive daytime now too, right?
They do, yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Let's bump this location one more time.
Oh, it doesn't go all the way, huh?
No, it doesn't. It
Unfortunately.
doesn't. But we can kind of go. We can go to this corner.
Yeah,
of
let's
the
go. Let's go.
geofence.
The Steiner is also kind of cheap, kind of steep.
Yeah.
Oh, it goes on Lombard Street.
Not the curvy part,
Oh, okay.
but like, yeah, the straight part of Lombard Street.
Yeah, send
could
it.
certainly do that. All right.
It's gonna reroute here on the spot.
on.
No
Yeah,
way.
yeah. No, it'll get rid of the. Oh, geez, no. That's.
Oh.
Sorry. What? Oh, okay.
Intense.
All right. Well, the route's updated in the car. Oh, there. It's in the app now. Nice. There's your hill.
Nice. That's not what I wanted, but you know, it's good enough.
Yeah.
Let's put on a big street.
Okay. We can. So when we get up to the top, we can make it go to the beginning of Diviz, maybe. Hopefully, there's still people and traffic on Diviz.
It should be. I guess depends what time it is. 10, maybe it's a bit late. Have you seen other people riding this?
No.
I wonder how many
think
rides they get.
Once I stopped on Polk Street, and I called another cruise, and the first car that came, somebody else got in. That's the only other time. So kind of taking the hill crest a bit slow. I don't know if you caught that. I mean, not unreasonable, but yeah.
Damn, I should install the app. Get support the industry.
Support the industry. Okay, it's really awfully long time at that stop sign. But yeah, like when Cruise says they have 1 million driverless miles, it's probably a lot of this.
Tell what?
It's probably a lot of like, you know, pretty quiet neighborhoods, nighttime.
Yeah. But they do daytime too now.
Right. But I suspect the fleet is much smaller in the daytime. Yeah.
I wonder what the supervision is. How many? What's the ratio? Like, do you have 1-to-1 supervision or more?
It's got to be less than 1-to-1, right? Because sometimes they launch over 100 cars concurrently.
Oh, they do? Oh, wow,
Yeah.
that's pretty crazy, actually.
Yeah, it's a lot.
That's pretty cool.
And it will say on the screen, like, you know, such and such person is helping your car through this spot or something like that.
Oh, you will when someone is like doing something
Yeah.
to guide the car.
But we don't know if there is silent remote monitoring where it doesn't show up on the screen. I think that only shows up if the car actually gets stuck.
I see. That's pretty nice. That's reassuring.